Here's how to turn on ultra wide mode on Snapchat on Android and iOS. As you can see, in my case, ultra wide feature is not showing. So what you can do to fix this? Just go on App Store or Play Store and update Snapchat to its latest version. After that, if it doesn't show up, just click on your profile icon on top left corner. After that, click on Settings on top right corner. Scroll down and under Support and Feedback, click on Bugs and Suggestions. Click on Report a Bug. Select Camera. Click on Select Topic, and after that, just click on Camera Features and select. Now here, type, "My account doesn't have access to the ultra wide camera feature. Please fix this problem as soon as possible." Now after that, click on Submit and Snapchat will fix this problem. Alternatively, what you can do, just go back to your camera page, click on Explore and type on the search bar ultra wide lens. Now here, select any one of these lenses. I'm going with this. Now this is not effective, but yeah, it will create an illusion like ultra wide lens. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.